Okay. So take a chair. Take your right leg and keep it on top of the chair. Right or left leg, whichever leg you are comfortable with the distance. Keep the leg on the chair. Raise your hands up. Bend forward and touch your toes. If you are unable to touch your toes, you can touch your feet. Okay, you can catch your feet also and look straight like this. Okay, but try to touch your leg. Try to touch your leg. Okay, hold your leg. Look straight. This is very good for your hamstring muscles. Stay in this posture. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back center. Now keep that leg sideways. Sideways. Okay. Keep that leg sideways. Then touch your toe. If you're able to, do like this. Okay. Bring your other hand up and above. Try to touch this way. If you are not able to, just keep like this. Okay. Stay in this posture. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back down. Now look this side, look forward side. Let the chair be behind you. Chair should be behind you. Take the leg and keep it on the chair. Keep the leg on the chair. Raise your hand up. Bend forward. Bend forward. Stay in the posture. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back up. Come back up. Relax. We'll do it to the other leg now. Take your right leg or whichever the other leg is. Take your other leg. Keep it on the chair. Raise your hands up. Bend forward. Touch your toes. Bend forward. Touch your toes. Stay in the posture. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back up. Change the angle facing towards sideways. This should become sideways. Okay. Okay. Keep it on the side. Slowly bend towards your right and touch it. Try to touch your leg. Slowly bring your other hand if possible. Yes. Very good. Stay in the posture. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back up. Very good. Now keep it on the reverse side and raise your leg. Keep it back. Keep your leg. Raise your hands up. Bend forward. Stay in the posture. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back up. Very good. Relax. This was preparatory asanas, preparatory for your Virabhadrasana 3. So we are just doing a little of preparatory before we do the warrior posture 3. Now bend forward and hold the chair like this. Bend forward, hold the chair. Slowly lift your left leg up. Lift your any of the leg, left or right, any one leg. Lift it straight. Look straight. Stay in the posture for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come down. Stay in this posture only. Don't get up. Now raise your other leg up. Raise your other leg up. Stay in the posture. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Relax. Slowly get up. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. You can keep the chair aside. Inhale, exhale. I'll show Virabhadrasana 3. If possible, try to do it. It is very simple. Only thing is you have to balance, little balancing. After doing Vrikshasana, I'm sure you'll be able to do this also. Okay, raise your hands up. Keep Namaskar Mudra. Bend forward and simultaneously raise your other leg. Just how we were practicing with the chair in the forward. Imagine there is no chair and you are balancing on one foot. Okay. This will improve your concentration, your core muscles, and complete mind strengthening. Stay in this posture. Those who want to take the support of chair, you can take the support of chair. Stay in this posture. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back down. We'll do it to the other leg. Raise your hands up. Keep Namaskar Mudra. Slowly bend forward and raise your other leg. Stay in the posture. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come down, relax. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. We'll do 3 rounds of Surya Namaskar and then we will start our pranayam. Okay? Only 3 rounds of Surya Namaskar. Okay? You can keep the chair aside. We'll start Surya Namaskar. शेखर चेयर साइड में रख दो. Okay. We'll do Surya Namaskar. First keep Namaskar Mudra. We'll do the Surya Namaskar mantra. Hiranmayna patrena satyasthapitam mukam Tattvam pushanna pabhrano Satya dharmaya drishtaye Om Mitraya Namaha Ekam Dve Trini, right leg back. Chatwari, both the legs back. Punch on your knees. Chat, Ashtang Namaskar. Sat, Bhujangasana. Ashta, Parvatasana. Nava, on your knees. Dasha, right leg forward. Ekadasha, both the legs forward. Dwadasha, Swasti. Second round. Om Surave Yanamaha. 1, 2, touch your toes. 3, right leg back. 4, both the legs back. 5, on your knees. 6, Ashtang Namaskar. 7, Bhujangasana. 8, Parvatasana. 9, on your knees. 10, right leg forward. 11, both the legs forward. 12, Namaskar. Swasti. Om Suryaya Namaha. Ekam. Dve, touch your toes. Trini, right leg back. Chatwari, both the legs back. Pancha, on your knees. Shada, Ashtang Namaskar. Sat, Bhujangasana. Ashta, Parvatasana. Nava, on your knees. Dasha, right leg forward. Ekadasha, both the legs forward. Dwadasha, Swasti. Relax. Sit down. All of you sit down. Calm your breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now slowly come to Shashankasana. How to do Shashankasana? Sit in Vajrasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Bend forward. This is very good for your stress relief. Those who have BP, stress, they can just stay in this posture for maximum time and it relieves a lot. Keep your breathing constant. You will stay in this posture for 15 seconds. All of you stay in this posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now slowly come back up. Slowly come back up. Take both your hands, keep it on your stomach. Make a fist of your hands, keep it on your stomach. Okay. Okay. This is called as Mandukasana, frog posture. Okay. Keep both the hands like this on the stomach. This is very good for healing. If you have any stomach problem or anything, you can keep your hands, and it also relieves a lot of stress. Okay, bend forward and look like this. Look straight and stay in this posture. Keep your breathing slow and normal. 10 seconds we'll stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come back up. And all of you lie down in Shavasana. Lie down in Shavasana. Keep your hands facing towards the sky. Your hands should not touch your body. Your legs should not touch each other. Keep some distance between each other. Slowly. Keep your breathing constant. Close your eyes. 2 minutes Shavasana. Concentrate only on your breathing. Focus only on your breathing. Breathing only through nose. Think about all the tasks which you have for today. Plan your day. Let all the thoughts come in your mind. Whatever your plans are for today, after yoga class, what you're going to do, what you have to do, your office work, whatever. Let all the thoughts come in your mind. First, collect all the thoughts. How many ever things you are planning to do for today? Let all the thoughts come in your mind. Once you have collected all the thoughts, try to arrange your thoughts. Arrange your thoughts, which is priority. पहले जो करना है, बाद में जो करना है. Try to prioritize your things. कौन सा important है, कौन सा important नहीं है. Priorities. Prioritize your thoughts. पहले ये करना है, बाद में ये करना है. Whatever thoughts, arrange your thoughts. Plan your day. Separate your thoughts in two ways: priority thoughts, non-priority thoughts. Separate them first. Two more minutes. Now, once you have completed your day task, arrange your thoughts for the week. Plan for your week thoughts. पूरे हफ्ते के लिए क्या plans है? Arrange your thoughts accordingly. What meetings you have, where you have to go, arrange for the week. Now, after you have filtered all your thoughts, come back to the main important thought which is there in your mind and concentrate only on that thought. Only on one thought you should concentrate. Whichever thought is most important to you, concentrate on that thought only one single thought. That is how you will improve your concentration level. Concentrate only on that thought, what you have to do, where you have to go, how you can succeed in that, what you require, all these things. Think about that single thought. One minute more. Slowly open your eyes. Turn towards your right. Don't get up immediately. Just turn to your right. Turn your body to the right. Complete body should turn to right. Yes, very good. Turn to your right. Now slowly get up. Okay. We'll do Nadi Shuddhi now. 6 rounds of Nadi Shuddhi we'll do, and then we can close for today. Okay. Do Nadi Shuddhi. One inhale, and exhale is 1 round. Okay. So like that, 6 rounds you have to do. Inhale, exhale, 1 round. Total 6 rounds. Do slowly. Take full breath. Once you have completed, keep your hands in Namaskar Mudra. We'll do the prayer. We'll do extra slokas, little more additional to the slokas from the last class. स्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणे अवतारवरिष्ठाय रामकृष्णाय ते नमः। यताग्निः दाहिका शक्ति रामकृष्णे स्थिता हि या सर्वविद्यास्वरूपान्तां शारदा प्रणमाम्यहम्। नमः श्रीयतिराजाय विवेकानन्दसूर्यये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Slowly rub your hands, massage your face and open your eyes and look into your palms. Okay, I think we had a very nice session. Anyone has any doubts? Venkatesh Garu, any doubt? No doubt, sir. Shekhar, any doubt?
No.
No doubt. Okay, thank you so much. We had a very good session. I hope you will we'll catch up tomorrow and have a wonderful day ahead. See you tomorrow morning. Okay, same time, same link. Thank you. Good day.
Thank you.